What's up, folks? There's a reason why I'm filthy from head to toe, sporting a combination electrical tape and poop emoji, band-aid, and grinning ear to ear, pretty much. There's a reason for that weird combination, and it's because I'm sitting on the track of my machine. All the videos you watched before, pretty much, I always was running somebody else's machine. I was contract labor to this gentleman. I started out doing repairs for him, and then it kind of worked into me operating equipment, and he offered to sell me a machine if I was interested, so I could get into it on my own, and I was very interested, so here I said. So yeah, I'm pretty tickled with this old machine. It's a 2015 model 450J LT, as you can see behind me, I think, and it makes money, and that's the name of the game overall. It's pretty much, Matt bought a 650K model that's cabbed in and nice, and we're gonna do a video on that too. I bought this one here. It is open cab, and it is hot right now. It is very hot down here, and that's why I'm a little bit draggy, a little slow, a little low energy. It's because I'm hot and tired and I've been in the smoke all day, but that's all good. Anyhow, I've done a couple videos before, I think, where talked about how to operate one. This thing operates just like one of those 700Ks. If you watched any of those videos, there's nothing special to it. The only difference is this one. Let me let this car pass. Hang on. This is the busiest dirt road I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, this one's got a regular key switch ignition. It doesn't have the whole keypad with the space shuttle startup sequence and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, sorry, this stuff's got my head running. But yeah, here's my machine. Pretty tickled with it, and get a little bit of video of it running, me running it a little bit. Pretty well wrapped up for the day, but we'll go push something up, and yeah, check it out. all for today's video. Just a little short one there. Showcase the new machine, or new to me machine. And I'm fixing to pour some diesel in it and head to the shed. Y'all have a good one, and remember, you're gonna get that on them big jobs. See you.